Hey everybody, it's Kenny with Generator Upgrade Supply. Today we've got a quick video on how to install our long-awaited wheel upgrade kit. So let's get started. All you're really going to need for this project is a flathead screwdriver and the wheel kit. So first thing you're going to need to do is take off the old, awesome working wheels. So if you've never done it before, there is a little slot right next to the hubcap. Just pop that hubcap off. There's a cotter pin in there. Pop that up. Sometimes they go flying. And there's a washer and your wheel. You can make sure you keep the brake plate, and I'll tell you what you can do with this. You can just toss it right in there. Just kidding. Sometimes people might want to keep them. I don't. Alright, so we've got our brake plate and we've got our wheel kit. Now, cool thing about our wheel kit is this new brake adapter that we designed. It fits perfectly on the wheel, grabs all of the spokes. It's got a sight hole to line up and tighten the set screws, and it also is a compression fit for the brake plate. So you just line it up with the holes. Usually pops right in. Sometimes it's a little bit warped. Make sure it's flush. You're not gonna hurt the adapter at all. All right. So once the brake plate is flush, the really cool thing about this is that it's going to eliminate all of that stupid rattling that you get with the brake on there when it's stock. I would say that alone is worth the price of the kit. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there. Hubcap. Pop the wheels on. I found that two 2x4s are actually the perfect size for this, just by coincidence. Alright, so then we line up the sight hole with the set screws, and you can tighten those up. Now, when you're tightening up the set screws, what I like to do is take them off. Now, what I like to do is make sure that they're nice and flush, and then put the shaft right all the way as far as you can, and then push to the opposite side of the set screws. That's going to give you the most surface area, and then tighten the set screws down after that. Tight as you can. Like I said, just a flathead screwdriver. You do that 4 times around and you're good to go. You're going to be able to roll over rocks, sand, out in the woods, whatever. You're going to be good with these big wheels on there. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and check us out on YouTube and Facebook at Generator Upgrade Supply. Check out our website, generatorupgradesupply.com. We're always here to help you generate better. Hey everybody, it's Kenny with Generator Upgrade Supply. I'm out here on our elk hunt with my brother Brad, owner of American Shelving. He does shelving for your garage, your trailers, and your inside. Today we're going to be showcasing our big wheel upgrade kit and how amazing they are compared to these ridiculous little wheels on that come stock. So we're going to run through a couple of tests here, and just to show you the versatility of these. All right, first test. Just a simple pull and push. Ready? Yeah. Go. Set. Go. I assure you he is not messing around. I told him I'd give him $50 if he beats me at any one of these. Alright. Second test. One-handed pull and push. One-handed pull and push. Here we go. Ready? Go. Alright. Third test, 2-finger pull and pull. Here we go. Ready? Go.
Those wheels aren't working out for you.
Altitude, the altitude. All right. Okay.
Up here.
Fourth test. We're going to pull and kick. The pull kick. Here we go. Ready? Set, go. That's the one right there. This is the kind of terrain you're going to see when you're going from your truck to the spot where you're going to put your generator. Alright. Last test here. What's the last test? Beer in hand. Alright.
First thing you do when you get out,
First thing you do,
you're gonna crack open a beer.
the beer in your Gus koozie. I'm out of breath.
The altitude.
The altitude. I'm blaming on that.
We're down in Phoenix.
What are we doing?
Ready? Opted for the pull.
Pull it uphill, huh?
Opted for the pull.
Cheater. Cheater. Everybody, so you can see these wheels make a huge difference. Check them out today on our website. You can even bundle them with the remote start and stop kit. And we're always here to help you generate better. Let's go kill him.
Switch it first.
Switch.
Well, just alright. This is overtime. Just pull and push.
Yeah.
Okay.